The National Emergency Operations Center has been continuously monitoring the prevailing situation of smog in Pakistan and around the region, which help us to identify the emissions of different sectors, industries, agriculture, and also transportation, to monitor and project the emission of pollutants in the form of particulate matter 1.5, 2.5, particulate matter 10, and also the emission of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, the oxides of sulfur, and other volatile organic compound, which help us to identify those locations which are facing the brunt of smog. In November and December, due to prevailing stable atmospheric conditions, low wind speed, higher humidity, and also higher air pressure, these all are the conditions that will further reinforce the smog for the rest of the months of the December. In the month of November and December, the smog conditions will persist in all the urban centers of Punjab and also the plains of KP. There are a number of different precautionary measures that we need to undertake. For example, avoiding unnecessary outdoor activities, and also in case if we are moving outside, we should wear mask. We have to keep ourselves hydrated. And also there are a number of different smart practices that help us to curb and curtail the smog. For instance, using the air purifier to purify the ambient air. We also need to use the dehumidifier, the vertical forestation in the form of green rooftops, climate smart interventions that help us to curb and curtail the smog conditions.